Hey guys, before we get started, I want to talk about this amazing MIDI pack, Inspiration. Inspiration is an amazing tool in your production arsenal that will help you get ideas and create your newest hit. It's easy to use and it brings endless possibilities to your music. Learn more by checking out the link in the video description. Supermassive. Yes, we're going to be making some awesome pads using this Valhalla free plugin. It's a quick and easy tutorial to follow, so let's get started. So before I actually start sound designing using Supermassive, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna create a little plucky sound and a ARP. So I'm just gonna load this serum here. I'm gonna go and search up some cool ARPs from this awesome pack called Inspiration. They have a bunch of ARPs, and I wanted something like in D minor, D sharp minor. So that works pretty nicely. I'm gonna set the tempo to 150 because that's dubstep. So that's a really simple pluck ARP loop. So I'm just gonna stretch this out a little bit and create some little sound design here. It's very simple. Let's just keep it simple. So I'm just gonna create an automation here just to give some movement to this sound. And now I'm gonna route this to a track, and this is gonna be a very cool sound design. So let's get started with actually making some sounds. So I'm just gonna load up Valhalla Supermassive here. I'm gonna set this into Sagittarius. I really like this mode for making pad sounds. I'm gonna take the mix up to 100% because that way I'm not gonna hear the ARP sound. It's gonna be the Supermassive. I'm gonna set a really high delay around 600, 700, something around there. And I'm gonna have a warp at around 60%. That already sounds like a pad, so I'm just gonna crank up the density a little bit. And then, yeah, that's basically it. That's basically a pad. That's very simple, and we can just add a little bit more. So I'd like to add a OTT just to brighten up the sound a bit. And then I like to EQ it, cutting off some of that high end around, yeah, like the high end like that, and then like the low end, and dip the high mids a little bit. Just adjust this a little bit. I like to cut around 10K, and do a little cut here at around 4.5. Then here, maybe up to 100 hertz, something like that. Very simple, as you can see. It's a very nice, simple curve. And then I like to add a little bit of delay and reverb just to give a little more movement to the sound. Ping pong always works really well for that stereo effect. Maybe some Valhalla room just to keep it with the style. Just something simple. You can just like. So that's basically how you can do pads using Valhalla Supermassive and some Arps. It's a very quick and easy tutorial. It's very easy sound design technique you can do. And it's a very cool way of exploring new sound possibilities. Like just what I did, I just took this awesome ARP loop from this cool MIDI pack called Inspiration, dumped it into the piano roll and created this awesome ARP. So it really shows two things. It shows the amazing complex process that is sound design, and it shows the versatility that you can have using MIDI and MIDI packs and all that. And you can just like change the key and adjust it to your liking, so you're not limited to one specific loop. You can just manipulate and create your own sound. It's a very cool thing to do. If you want to check out this pack, you can click the link down in the description that will take you to the Inspiration store page. So I definitely encourage you to do that. Anyways, thanks for watching. This was SoundKiller.